Guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's video I will guide how to change kilometer to miles in Waze app on your device. So as we know that Waze app is very useful in today's day-to-day life, because Waze is a navigation app that provides real-time traffic updates, faster routes, turn-by-turn directions, alerts for hazard, speed traps and road condition. To know how to change kilometer to miles, you need to simply watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. First thing, you need to open your app Waze, and this is the very first home page of this app. At the very top left there is the icon with 3 lines. You need to simply click on that, and at the very third option there is the option called settings, and you need to go to the option settings, and after that at the very top there is the option called general. You need to click on the option general, and after that here you can see the distance units, and but simply you can change kilometer into miles or miles into kilometer options, and this is how you can change kilometer into miles or miles into kilometers very easily on your device on this app. So this is how you can change kilometer into miles in Waze app. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.